e-commerce apps and tools you should use for your e-commerce store to operate as well to increase your sales. Hi, my name is Andiry, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency as well as this YouTube channel. In today's video, I would like to discuss our toolbox, what we call Flowium's toolbox, where we list all the tools we highly recommend for clients to use in their store to increase revenue or improve customer experience. I will briefly cover all of them. We divide them in different categories and I'll give you a few options and pros and cons of each software. And also I highly recommend to listen to the podcast episode with Derek. He's the founder of eCommerce Tag, where he describes all the tools and compare them in greater details. Okay, so let's go to my computer and let's view the all tools. Okay, so here's our mirror board. By the way, you can access this mirror board by going to flowium.com/tools and you will have access to this. I highly recommend to do it because we have tools and also different resources like how to use them, more information, more useful articles in this document for your reference. Okay, so let's start with SMS. I mean, there's a lot of different options for SMS, but we exclusively work with Klaviyo as we are Klaviyo elite partner, so that's why all our email marketing and SMS marketing are exclusively on Klaviyo. That's why here you can find all the information, best practices, handbooks, and so forth. The other SMS alternative is Attentive, but we personally do not like to work with them because of their not transparency. Their attribution model is 30 days, so basically if you send email today and somebody buys in 30 days, it's attributed to the first email, and honestly, we don't like that because for SMS it's very fast, so we like to attribute 1 day, to give 1 day attribution and not 30 days. That's why we personally don't like to work with Attentive, but they are a leader on the market and they're doing a great job and they are a great company and they have amazing support. But this is our personal take internally, so that's why we don't work with them. SMS Bump, another one, SMS platform, and Postscript. Postscript is great as well. SMS Bump, there was some misalignment with the salespeople, and that's why we never even started working with them. Postscript is another great platform if you use Shopify, which you should consider. Okay, so the next one, let's talk about the referral program. Referral program, as you can see, there's many: Swellbite, Yadpo, FriendBuy, Smile.io, Stamped.io, Talkable, Referral Candy. We work with all of them. And as you can see, there's more instruction below them, instruction how Swell works and all other resources. And here on Post-it notes, some useful information which you can check as well. I personally like to work with Talkable. Talkable is a great referral program, but they are a little bit confusing about their prices. They do not release their prices anywhere, and I personally think they quote you based on how big or how small you are. Smile.io, Stamped.io, the benefit of them, because they include loyalty program and referral program, so you're buying one software and you're getting 2 for 1. However, there's downside because they have those pop-up. There's no way to build landing pages like you can do with Swell by Yadpo, but Swell by Yadpo is very expensive. I believe it's you need to pay for the entire year, and it starts, I believe, $12,000 a year or more. And again, they price you differently. By the way, Swell, SMS Bump, and Yadpo, it's one company, so Yadpo owns all of them. And referral program is very important. A lot of customers are coming from referral program. We strongly recommend to all our clients to have the referral program if they don't already. The next one is loyalty program. I recorded a lot of videos about loyalty program, email marketing strategy about loyalty program, the case study, everything we have on YouTube, and we'll include them all under this video. But the most popular loyalty program is Smile.io. It's probably the cheapest one, and it's $0 to start. And I believe we have even affiliated link. If you go to flowium.com/smile, there should be affiliated link, and we probably get some revenue share from there. The next one is Stamped.io, and Stamped.io, it's amazing tool. The only one problem we personally have is very expensive. But if you're enterprise level business or you're making decent amount of money, it should investment. In terms of user experience, Swell is much better than Smile.io, Stamp.io. And Loyalty Line is another tool, very popular, but in the company we're using this tool, but I personally never use this tool, so I don't have much feedback. So basically under this you can have different resources which you can check and some generic information. As you can see here, this is case study I told you about the loyalty program, where I compared non-loyalty program members and loyalty program. So 445% higher CLV, customer lifetime value, than non-loyalty program. So first of all, loyalty program does work. And if you have loyalty members, so somebody who joined your loyalty program, they are 4 times valuable to your business than other clients. Okay, so the next one is review apps. There's a lot of different review apps. Here's the 6 apps that the most common, the most popular, and all of them are very similar features, and we actually love to work with all of them, and we don't have any like preferences at this moment. So Reviews.io, Yotpo, Stamp.io, Canva, Judge Me, and Looks. All of those apps are amazing, and they do basically the same job. So they are asking customers for a review, and they posting on your website. For example, Yotpo and maybe some other, maybe a Canva as well. They work with the Google certified review. I forgot how it's called, but basically the review clients leaving you on your website, it's good for Google reviews, and it's like Google review generator, approved Google review generator, something like Yotpo. Again, it's pricey, so please shop around and get the best price for yourself. The next one is a survey tool, the free and one of the most popular is Google Forms. If you just need simple survey tool, it's good enough, but we prefer Typeform. We use in our business, we recommend to our clients, and I believe we even offer to our clients for free our account. Typeform is more powerful because you can make different conditions, you can direct them to different landing pages. Yes, it does cost more because Google Form is free. Typeform costs, I believe, $50, $60, or $70 per month, which is more than $0. But both tools are great, and with the Typeform you can make quizzes as well, not just surveys but different quizzes where you can collect information, and it nicely integrates with different email marketing tools like Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, and others, MailChimp, and so forth. So chatbot, as you can see, there's not many. We are constantly adding, so that's why I want you to go to flowium.com/tools, get access to this mirror board, and see how we progress and adding tools. So at this moment we have 2 TDO Reamaze. Honestly, I never worked with any of those tools, but if we have it on our list, our team is working on them. Let's go to the next one. So there's 2 Facebook Messenger chatbots, and actually both of them are, and the third one is like ManyChat, which is not here because ManyChat was mostly not for e-commerce, and they trying to shift their focus to e-commerce, but I'm not sure how far they are. But Recard and Octane AI are both great tools. We have more experience with Recard because majority of our clients on Recard, and they have amazing customer support. Okay, so the next one is a quiz and calculator. As I said before, when we were discussing surveys, Typeform can be quiz or calculators as well. So in this case, we have 2 preferred tools and apps as Outgrow and Typeform. Outgrow, it's a little bit more robust in terms of quizzes and a calculator, so you can build, let's say, how much this thing will cost me, and they answer different things and it will pop them the number. Or let's say you're selling, I don't know, like socks or jeans, and they enter in different information, so to figure out what kind of size they need. So in terms of Cutdown Timer, we just use promo features, and we have a video where like Matt Hagen, one of our sales advocate, and before he used to work as a project manager, now he's sales advocate, shows how to use that Cutdown Timer for email marketing. The email cleanup tool, it's never bounce. Sometimes clients come to us with a huge list and saying that they did not email those people for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and before we send any marketing campaigns to those people who did opt in some time ago, but maybe they abandoned their emails or something. So we ran through Neverbounce, and we found it's one of the best tools to get the correct data. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, I want to know as well what you are using in your e-commerce business, what apps, what software, benefits, downsides. So anything you can have to share, please post under this video. So let's share between each other and let's learn from each other.